Scientists are warning us that we have 12 years to take drastic action on climate change, and that means we have to transform our food system. Currently, our global food system is incredibly unsustainable and wasteful in terms of land use, water use, and energy. And that's why we're here today, to build a movement around climate-friendly food.
UBC has great potential in becoming a leader and demonstrating what a climate-friendly food campus could look like, which is why the LFS 450 students paired together with the SEEDS program to research and come up with some ideas as to what this could potentially look like.
UBC is a major university and a leader in sustainability. We're a very large university too, with a daytime population of 75,000 people. And so with that comes purchasing power to make a real significant difference around how we think about purchasing food and supplies associated with food.
I think when people think of climate change or lots of social justice issues or environmental issues, food is not the first thing that comes to mind. But in my view, our dietary choices and our food system intersect environmental and social justice issues in numerous ways. From how we get our food, whether it's grown and sourced in an ethical way that treats people fairly, all the way to how many emissions come and are required to get it to our table. And as students, we have the chance to take on real food system change at the institutional level, commit to, say, vegetarian and vegan food.
I care about climate-friendly food because I think it's one of the issues that people don't really realize contributes to climate change a lot. A lot of people pin CO2 emissions on things like traveling or oil and gas industries, and our own behaviors through food can actually have a huge impact. I think it's listed as like the first or second thing that actually reduces CO2 emissions is eating a plant-based diet. So I think it's important because it's something that's easily in everyone's control. I think that UBC needs to incorporate more vegan food options on campus.
As a part of the LFS 450 team, we've developed a long-term goal of carbon pricing to account for the emissions associated with different foods. That way, when consumers purchase foods, they can understand better the environmental impact of these foods.
We think it's important for UBC to track their food system's influence on the environment. Therefore, we've designed an auditing system for UBC to make better choices on how they source their food.
There are big opportunities for UBC to take a leadership role in terms of climate action and climate mitigation through our choices in policy and practice.